it's Didadu. Let's learn together.
Hi everyone, I'm Didadu. Today is a very special day. We're going to feed my animal friends on the farm. Are you ready to help me? Let's go! Do you know who we are going to meet first? Let's go find out! Look, it's a cow. Cows love to eat delicious dry hay. Can you say moo with the cow? Moo! That was fun! Now, who will we meet next? Hello, friends! Here is some sweet clover for the sheep and seeds for the chickens. The sheep says Baaa and the chickens say cluck cluck. What do they eat? Clover and seeds. That was fun! Now, can you guess who we'll meet next? Rabbits love crunchy orange carrots. Munch, munch, munch. And the duck says quack as she swims. Do you like orange carrots? Can you get some carrots off the truck? We have 2 more friends to visit. I wonder who they are. Wow, a big horse. He loves juicy red apples and the dog wagging his tail. He gets a special treat. The apples look delicious and sweet. Do you also like eating apples? It's healthy. We did it! All our friends are full and happy. Thank you for helping me feed the animals today. You are great helpers. See you next time on DIDADUTV. Bye-bye!
Hi, it's Didadu.
See you soon!
Let's learn together.